Okay, so I kind of wanted to give you guys like a little update on the makeover and hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a porch clean and decorate with me for the fall time, and I just love everything that I end up doing for this video, so I hope you enjoy this video as well. Let me know what you think about everything. My vision was to have lots of pumpkins and lots of moms, and I just put it all together and hope for the best. So I hope you enjoyed today's video.
All my thoughts are running round inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this?
So now that I have the porch all cleared off, I wanted to go ahead and give it a good cleaning. And also in the next few clips, I'm going to be explaining what has happened with the makeover, and I hope this helps you out, especially if you've been following my channel ever since my porch makeover. I hope this helps with all the questions and everything that I've been getting. So yeah, you'll see that here soon. Okay, so I kind of wanted to give you guys like a little update on the makeover and why that hasn't happened yet, but it is still hot outside. This summer it was so hot, it was always either in the 90s or you know, the hundreds or whatever, but overall we could not do it this summer, and I don't know what I was thinking trying to plan it for this summer. And also, number two reason why is because we had so much to do this summer. I was in weddings, we had bachelorette trips, and I just had so much stuff going on. I did a makeover for my friend before she got married. So it was just a lot going on for the summertime. So honestly, it was not going to get done this summer. But now that school has started back up, and if you didn't know this, I am a teacher, so I'm very busy with that Monday through Friday, and weekends too, because teacher life. But hopefully my plan is on our next like big break, we will somewhat get like the process started, because it's gonna take more than like 2, maybe, or actually it's gonna take more than 3 days. So I really would like where we have a week off and I can just get it done that whole week. But that is our goal, and honestly, if I can't get it done by Christmas time, I will probably just hire somebody. It's just not enough time in the day to try to get everything done, and so that's probably what I end up doing if I can't get it done before Christmas time. So I'm praying and fingers crossed that I can get it done, because I feel like I could do it on a very cheap budget, and you know, just doing things on your own, you feel like so good about it, and that's what I want to happen. But anyways, I just wanted to give you that little update and the reasoning of why this has been such a long process to even start. But I'm just praying that cooler weather comes soon, because even now that it's fall time in the morning time, but about time 12, actually before that, 10 o'clock, when 10 o'clock hits, it is summertime again here where I live. So anyways, I just wanted to give you that update, and I'm just gonna get back to the decorating part now.
feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new watching. My name is Courtney. I do all types of home decor videos, decorate with me, clean with me, makeovers. I just love doing those types of videos. So if you like those types of videos and you like watching those types of videos, make sure you push that subscribe button, but no pressure whatsoever. I'm just so glad that you chose to watch this video, and I hope you're still enjoying it.
I wanna get high on, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
So there's really no rhyme or reason where I'm placing things. I'm just putting it kind of where I see fit. If I put a green pumpkin on one side, I try to put it on the other side. If I put a white pumpkin on one side, I try to put it on the other side in another place. So that's all really what I'm doing.
Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as
I really wanted to add some height on each side, so I end up pulling this chair that I've always used on the porch, and I just used an old flower pot that I got from the Dollar Tree and spray painted, which you saw on one of my old videos, and I just put that there and put another plant there just so I can have another one on the ground. So that's really all I did. So whenever I decorate the front porch, I try to do something special for our delivery people, and this series actually came from these people, which is Jennifer Hunt and Amanda from This Crazy Life, Lynn White, Amy Darley, and Love Meg. But they did a series, I want to say either a year or two ago, where it was just something special for someone. And so I try to just do this whenever I decorate my front porch. But this brings you to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.